Ladies and gentlemen, Tony Blackney here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. I'm at a 3-bed, 1-bath property on the north side of Akron, Ohio. My partners and I just locked up this property. We are under contract. We're just out for a second viewing of the property just to conduct some more due diligence. As you can see, the property does need a lot of work. So just wanted to drop in with you guys and let you know we're still actively buying properties in the Akron market. We are particularly interested in the 44301 zip code, 44305, 44310, and anywhere in the surrounding suburbs such as Cuyahoga Falls, Stowe, Talmadge. Great thing about us, we don't charge any real estate commission fees. We buy in as-is condition. As you can see, this one needs a lot of attention. And we can close in 30 days or less. And if 30 days is too soon for you, or somebody you know, we do work around your schedule. So if you need to close later, 3 weeks later, after the set closing date, we're definitely flexible. So if you know anybody who might need our services, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com.